Guru Pyari Sasangat ji, Radha Swami ji. You all on 1st November at 4 p.m. Hujur ji had a question and answer session with Sangat. Baba ji did not come even at the time of morning darshan, and neither did Baba ji come in the question and answer session at 4 p.m. The Sangat was very upset and disappointed on not getting the darshan of Babaji. Perhaps Babaji can be present on the stage tomorrow on Sunday, 2nd November, and it all depended on the grace of Pyare Babaji. A brother asked Hujurji that, Hujurji, I have two daughters, and people often says that we should have one more son. On that, Hujurji lovingly explained to the brother that son, how fortunate you are. Daughters are the most of beloved gift of God. Sons grow up and get busy with their work and family, but daughters remain conducted to their parents till the end of their life and remain their true companions. One brother asked Hujurji that, Hujurji, my children are very fond of coming and serving them. Hujurji, giving a sweet smile, said that this is very good, son, but you should maintain your affection of them. Children do what they see their parents doing. Children learn not from our words but from our actions. Today, children are very intelligent. They feel every small and big thing. Therefore, we have to make our action beautiful so that children take inspiration from them. One brother asked Hujurji about his sister marriage. Hujurji, I have only one sister. When she gets married, I will be left alone. What will I do without her? Hujurji lovingly explained to the brother son relationship never end. The relationship between a brother and a sister continues throughout life. It is important that we give time to relationship, maintain their love and intimacy with them. If we give true love to our brother and sisters, the same love will return to 100% times. This same brother told Hujurji, Hujurji, I want to become your driver. Hujurji laughed. He said, if you want to become a driver, then first become an officer, son. When you stand on your own feet, then you will become a driver too. This brother said to Hujurji, Hujurji, I am not interested in studies. And on hearing this, the whole group started laughing playfully. Hujurji explained to brother with great love that son, if you do not study, then how will you become an officer? There is a time of everything. First, concentrate of study, because when you become self reliant after getting educated, only then you will be able to stand firmly off your feet. When you reach a higher position, there will be four people in front and behind you. Then you will automatically with the opportunity to come to the dera and do seva. One Sister asked Hujurji that Hujurji, I am not interested in any work in Bhajan Simran. I am always worried about the future of my children. Then Hujurji lovingly explained to the sister that will the life of the children change if you sit in Bhajan Simran? Then the children will see you when they will see that their mother or grandmothers does Bhajan Simran daily, then that effect will be deeply felt on their mind. Slowly, those children will become good human being and will achieve success in life one day. But if you remain unsuccessfully worried, then the same effect will be affect the children as well. So why should we worry? Hujurji said, worry only about the has happened. Babaji Babaji Maharaj has immense grace on all of us. Hence, we must try our part. Therefore, we should never be negligent in our bhajan and simran. One brother had asked Hujurji that, Hujurji, I have made many mistakes in life. Then Hujurji lovingly explained to the brother that son, every human being makes mistakes, but the thing is that do we learn from mistakes? If we learn from mistakes, then that mistake will make you better. But if you start blaming yourself, then become negative thinking, which weakness our soul. Nowadays, most of the people are suffering from such a thing. That is why it is often said that make your thinking positive, then the path opens automatically. It will be go away. Hujurji said, son, I am not afraid of them. Correct the mistake. Do not think about it again and again and move, go ahead. One sister, Ismaili, said to Hujurji, Hujurji, yesterday you had issued my younger sister's marriage certificate and today you issued mine for this. I am very thankful to you. For this same sister started saying, Hujurji, now you take me with you in the ship and come safely. Hujurji on his smangly said, I don't want to go by ship, son. That sister instead, no, Hujurji, I want to go by ship only. Hearing this, the entire congregation started laughing loudly. On this, Hujurji also laughing and said, which ship have you choose? Please tell me that too. Hearing this, the Sangat again started laughing loudly. Fear was fitted. Hujurji lovingly explained to the sister that, Beta, when will do your bhajan simran, then that will become the fuel of your ship, and the owner has already given that you in the form of Shabad. Now the job of filling petrol in the ship is ours. When we will do Bhajan Simran, then the owner will automatically take our ship to Sachkhand. But if you will not do Bhajan Simran, then how will the ship take off? The same fire was filled. The sister started saying that now I will do Bhajan Simran with full connection, construction on his Hujurji told the sister that you were saying that I will get up 2 minutes. Hearing this from Hujurji and entire Sangat starting laughing loudly. Hujurji explained that if we practice with a true heart, the soul itself will start flyingly and we will not need any ship. One brother had asked Hujurji that, Hujurji, yesterday you gave me a chance to sing Shabad. Thank you very so much for that. Whenever I come to Jalalabad center, please give me a chance to sing Shabad. Hujurji smiled and said, brother, your sister goes to Sangruru and you go to Jalalabad. What is the matter? The brother said, laughingly, Hujurji, she is my dear sister. Hujurji said, it's okay. Then there is no one else special. He said, no, Hujurji, she is my most special sister. The brother said laughingly to Hujurji, Hujurji, Babaji, I considered him my father. He says, and you are our uncle. Hujurji said laughingly, I am not yet old enough to become an uncle. You can make me brother too. Hearing this from Hujurji, the entire Sangat started laughing out loud. A Sevadar brother asked Hujurji that Hujurji has written in his Vani that Bin Chakhe Japna Aaye, meaning there is darkness inside, and if you show a little light, then we can get that bills. Hujurji said while passing a sweet smile that sun bliss is hidden in darkness. Also, we repeatedly wish to get a glimpse of the inside, but are we worthy of it or are we ready for it? Hujurji said, son, Malik is always ready to give it us, but our vessel, our heart should also be ready. If the vessel itself it keep upside down, then how will Amrit will be filled in it? Therefore, first prepare yourself, make yourself neat and clean. Fir see the light within you will start shining. Fire Hujurji explained by giving the example of a cricket player that like a cricket player he scored 10 runs in the beginning, फिर 20, फिर 50 and gradually one day he also scored a 100 century. The first match itself, Hujurji said that in the same way our spiritual journey also start. We start little by little slowly. We reach our destination through hard work. Therefore, give time to charity. Consider the Master to be with you. Consider him present every moment. One sister asked Hujurji that Hujurji, I have received Namdan from you, and due to your mercy, my bhajan simran is going well. Sometime I feel scared. Hujurji said that with great love you should not be afraid. Beta, when you have received Namdan, then understand that Malik himself is with you. Now you just have to keep Congress every work happiness slowly. We wish that today we get Namdan and tomorrow itself all the Siddhi should be achieved, but it does not happen like that. That sister said to Hujurji, Hujurji, now take me to Malik as soon as possible. I do not want to live anymore. Hujurji explained to the sister, Beta, Jahan, the Lord has give us birth according to our deeds. The soul does not know until the deeds are complete. Therefore, be happy in the condition in which the Lord has kept us. A one brother asked Hujurji that, Hujurji, my father drink. Hujurji said, with great love, son, he is your father. Do not criticize him. Do not judge him. We have to become a good human being. Parents make so many sacrifice their children that we can't every imagine. Just pray for them and keep doing good deeds yourself. At the end of the question answer session, a child asked Hujurji that, Hujurji, tomorrow Sunday, you must bring Babaji doing the satsang. Then Hujurji looked at the laughing child and said, whatever you say, my master. Hearing this from Hujurji, the entire Sangat starting laughing loudly. Sangatji, these were the question and answer that Hujurji had done with the Sangat yesterday. If you liked this video, you can also share it with the Sangat, and if you want to, you can subscribe to my channel. Whether you subscribe to my channel or not, if you have come till here, then definitely write Radha Swamiji in the comments before leaving. Sasangaji, I have shared with you whatever I know. If I have said anything wrong in this, I seek your forgiveness. If I have made some mistake in some English words, please forgive me. Sangatji, I will meet you soon with a new video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family with folded hands. Love to all of you, Radha Swamiji.